Hello there, my name is Emin, EMCsoft, and today I want to continue my previous video about knowledge base, but today we'll discuss CallCenter24. CallCenter24 is our telephony solution to make outgoing and incoming calls, SMS and WhatsApp messaging, which include voicemail, on-hold message, and many other useful features. But also that CallCenter24 also include part of functionalities, i.e. voice agent. But that voice agent use our knowledge base just to know what we should to talk. CallCenter24 is IE voice agent knowledge base. Is a platform where we get in the contact, so IE voice agent know what to tell to customer by get information from knowledge base. And today I will show you how that works in real life. So for example, I'm calling to our telephony. Of course, we're calling from Bittrex24, select a number.
About CallCenter24.
Yes, hello there. I'm just wondering what is your product CallCenter24 is about.
Let me check on that for you. CallCenter24 is a Twilio call center solution that integrates with CRM systems. It allows you to store call recordings and transcriptions and manage outgoing calls through a default number. If you need more details or want to explore purchasing options, let me know.
Okay, can I know how much is that?
Let me find the pricing details for you. CallCenter24 costs $10 per license per month. Each user needs a license for calls, which includes unlimited phone numbers for inbound and outbound calling.
Yeah, I got it. Can you please connect me to some sales agents which can set up a demonstration for me?
Could you please provide your name and phone number so I can connect you with a sales agent for a demonstration?
Yes, my name is Emin Mamedov. My phone number is +1.
Great. So your phone number is +1 83 3913 0672. I'll connect you with a sales agent for a demonstration. Give me a moment. Great. I've connected you with a sales agent who will reach out to set up a demonstration. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.
Okay, no questions for now. I'm just waiting for your sales agents to call me. Thank you. Bye-bye. So during the call, you saw that automatically Bittrex create a lead with my phone number and my name. So I can check it. Yeah, my name is a bit not correct. No big deal. I mean Mamedov and phone number. So, but that agent not can create only lead and assign responsible person. They also can select a calendar, set up a time from your calendar, set up a lead to make a calls, or transfer call directly to the sales agents during the call. Also basic product information, as you saw right now, can check the order status. For example, if you online shop, i.e. voice agent can tell you the current status of your product. And also, if for example somebody will leave their contact details on your website, i.e. voice agent can call back and set up again meeting, select calendar, set up sales agents, and also can create a task. In that case, mean tickets. Okay, so that perfectly working well for incoming calls, and we working now for outgoing calls. Okay, please install CallCenter24 and enjoy. Thank you and bye-bye.